Good morning and welcome to our press conference today. I'm Dana Corwin and I am the Director of Chautauqua County Office for Aging Services. And I'm really excited to be here, and I have a few friends up here at the podium with me. And I'm going to introduce them first before I forget them. I have Carrie Skelton, our Nutrition Coordinator at Chautauqua County Office for Aging Services. I have Michelle Richin, Regional Medicare Sales Consultant with Univera Healthcare, and I have Art Wingeter, President at Univera Healthcare. So thank you all for being here with us today, and thank you for those online joining us. I am really excited to announce the launch of the inaugural CHQAging Expo. It is a wonderful day that we have planned for you, and we're here today to invite you to this event, this expo and this conference, and it is really for you that we have put this together. It is a first of its kind in Chautauqua County, and it is designed to empower, to educate, and connect older adults and their caregivers. The event is going to be happening at SUNY Fredonia, which is the State University of New York at the Fredonia campus, and it will take place on Thursday, May 22nd, 2025, at the Williams Center. The event begins at 9:30 with a grand opening and a ribbon cutting. At that time, the local dignitaries that will be with us that day are going to be really excited to meet and greet with you. We will also be welcoming the State Office for the Aging Director, Greg Olson, to the event. So it's going to be a fantastic day packed with things for you, the older adult, to help you age well in our community. We'll be featuring lunch. It will be available, and it'll be a great event from 11 to 2. And we will have food trucks available for this. The resource fair is really going to be exciting. We've had this in previous years, and we are well above 80 vendors that are coming to this event to help you understand programs and services and benefits that will help you age well in our community. The resource fair will run from 10 a.m. to 2. Why does this matter to you? If you're an older adult, if you're an adult in Chautauqua County and you're aging, then this is going to be an important event for you. So many times we wait until we have an emergency or an immediate need to find out what's available in your community. This celebration is a celebration of the Older Americans Month, which is typically celebrated in May of every year. And it's an opportunity for all of us to come together to learn about what's available in our community to help us age well in place. We don't want there to be any surprises in that process. Here at the Office for Aging Services, our mission is to guide, connect, and advocate for older adults. And the Older Americans Month celebration focuses on a different theme every year. This year's theme is Flip the Script on Aging, and it focuses on several different things: how we perceive aging, how we talk about aging, and how we approach aging. There's a lot of things we say about aging, and none of them are really true. Aging is what you make it. There's a lot that you can do to age well in the community, and that's what we hope to empower you with that day. This event builds on what we've done for the past 50 years as an agency when we first started having summer picnics down at Midway Park. And as I was talking to a group yesterday, many of the participants remember being down at Midway Park and roller skating on the second floor and looking out at the Great Chautauqua Lake. Fantastic memories from those days. But as we've grown as an agency and as our county has aged, we've needed more times to get together and we've needed larger space. So we've expanded this annual celebration of Older Americans Month from a picnic to a one-day expo. And we're excited to tell you more about that. The event is free, but registration is highly recommended and required by April 25th of this month, 2025. You can register online, and we'll give you that web address, or by calling our local offices. And these things are posted on our website as well. I'd like also to introduce and say a few words about Univera. Univera is our platinum sponsor, and we are very happy to have them here. Univera Healthcare is a nonprofit health plan, and they serve all 8 counties of Western New York. They have over 5,700 medical providers. They have access to all area hospitals and all major pharmacies. They are really integral in taking care of the people of Western New York. Univera's healthcare is all about fantastic coverage, outstanding value, and a personal touch. And as they like to say, we're in it for the community's health, not for profit. They are dedicated to enhancing health and well-being of our communities, creating better places to live, work, and play, and raise families here in Western New York. Healthier communities help us all, and we want to thank them for their platinum sponsorship for the CHQAging Expo. And I'd like to introduce Michelle Richin, the Regional Medicare Sales Consultant, for a few words.
Thank you so much. We are so excited to be a sponsor for this event. I am a representative for Medicare for Univera Healthcare. Actually, I'm celebrating my 15th year of being with Univera. It is such a great company to work for, and we're super excited. We are here to help, so come on out to the event and see us, please.
That sounds great. So if you've got Univera as a healthcare provider, you need to come see us here in Chautauqua County. We'd like to also state that the Older Americans Month celebration in May started way back in the 1960s. And as you can see, it's really evolved along the way, particularly here in Chautauqua County. So we're very pleased to give you more information with our nutrition coordinator, Carrie Skelton, about the particulars about the day. Carrie?
Thank you, Dana. We're really excited this year to expand our reach and the impact to the community. We're expecting to welcome over 1,000 older adults to this event. That will include their caregivers and family members. We have approximately 90 agencies that are going to be in attendance to give you valuable information, resources, and the support you need to age well in place. This is a great opportunity for our older adults to connect with the experts, the service providers in our community, and those community partners to help you learn about the programs that can improve your quality of life. This year, we are adding a really special touch to the event. We have conference-style breakout sessions available in the afternoon. The morning will be the resource fair where you can visit all of these providers at the tables, but the afternoon we have limited space, so therefore the registration is really encouraged to secure your spot in these breakout sessions. We have 8 different classrooms that will be set up offering over 15 different topics, including diabetes care, dementia awareness, SNAP-Ed nutrition, orthopedic care, Medicare fraud prevention, scam prevention, estate planning, and funeral pre-planning. We're really excited to provide all of these resources to you so that you can, again, age well in place and provide a quality of life. The informational sessions will provide those practical guidance from the industry professionals to help our older adults and their caregivers to navigate key issues in aging. The organizations who are interested in joining us for the day as informational tabling, you can contact us at the Office for Aging Services at our Jamestown office at 716-661-8940. Ask for Carrie if you are asking to be a represented agency to table at the event, or you can email us at chqagingevents@chqgov.com. And this will help us make this event a success by having all of the appropriate health and wellness organizations and agencies in the area represented. If you are an older adult and you are interested in attending this event for all of the valuable resources, or you want to bring your caregiver or your family members along with you this year, this event is for you. And so we want you to sign up by April 25th. We want to have a pretty good head count to make sure our food trucks have enough food for each of you, and that you can take advantage of this free opportunity to learn, connect, and be empowered for your own care. So we look forward to seeing everyone on May 22nd at SUNY Fredonia.
Great.
Dana.
Thank you. So as you can see from the outline that Carrie gave us, it's going to be an exciting day. Everything from a big ribbon cutting and bell ringing morning to tons of information and giveaways from different companies to help you remember services and programs that can help us age well in our community. And that's really what it comes down to. We want to know what's available, and we want to know how to access that. Aging is a process that takes both you and other things to happen. There's a lot of things you have control about, and if you've ever been at an expo before or a conference, it's an amazing feeling to be connected with other individuals for the same topic. Imagine 1,000 older adults and their caregivers together. Imagine that feeling that you would have, feeling that you're not alone, that you have a lot to give. And we want to hear about your experiences. We want to understand what you've contributed to this community here in Chautauqua, and we want to celebrate that with you. So please join us. The Older Americans Celebration Month in May allows education on important topics like Carrie's listed, but also things like elder abuse, neglect, and scams. So again, understanding what's available for you, living as well as you can in our community, and connecting with others is our hope for you in May. So please join us on May 22nd at the SUNY Fredonia campus. We have a lot of special things planned for you, including music and a couple interesting things like learning how to play the ukulele, understanding your risk for falls, and also taking advantage of the special wooden trolleys that we have in Chautauqua County that will transport you back and forth to the door. So we've really tried to think of everything. And again, we want to thank you for participating this morning. We want to thank Univera for their show of support both this morning and on the day when we're all together celebrating aging in Chautauqua County. So thank you, and we appreciate your time. I know we have some folks online, and I'm wondering if they have any questions for the group here. So we'll give them a minute. I imagine it involves a chat box and some other things. And I'm fairly certain, but don't hold me to it, that we probably won't have snow on May 22nd. But I'm not going to be 100% certain of that. For those of you joining us, it is a lovely day in Mayville, and it did snow overnight and ice fairly well here on early April. It's hanging on pretty good. But we've had a great opportunity this winter. If you've not come to Chautauqua County for things like the Mayville Ice Festival, it's a wonderful way to showcase the beauty of this area, especially the lake and the community. I don't think we could build one today, though.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. I think we're good. Well, thank you all again for joining us, and please help spread the word of this important event, and we'll look forward to seeing you on May 22nd in Fredonia. Thank you, and have a great day.